like to talk today about the new University of California cybersecurity mandate that will go into effect this year. Just as we take measures to protect our students, faculty, and staff from physical threats, so too must we take measures to protect our community from cyber threats and their real-world consequences. Universities are prime targets for bad actors, primarily due to the wealth of sensitive information and research data we possess, as well as our open and collaborative nature. During a time of remarkable technology advancements like AI, attack attempts are becoming more frequent, increasingly sophisticated, and harder to detect. To understand what's at stake, we need look no further than our sister campuses. In 2021, UCLA experienced a malware attack that resulted in the theft of student and employee social security numbers, financial information, and other data used to commit identity fraud. The campus received exorbitant ransom demands from those holding the information hostage. Just recently, UC Berkeley experienced a cyber attack that resulted in faculty and graduate students losing a year's worth of research data. Even closer to home, UC Path is regularly targeted by bad actors seeking to change direct deposit information and siphon money from employees. While the UC system continues to implement new controls to defend against these attacks, stronger local controls are needed. As the old adage goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. To more proactively protect the UC community from these growing cyber threats, the Office of the President has directed all campuses to take crucial steps to strengthen information security by May 2025. For UC Riverside, this means investing in cybersecurity enhancements that align with the UC cybersecurity mandate. This critical effort requires the participation of all UCR employees in 3 key areas: completing cybersecurity training, verifying one's identity, and securing devices. The most important line of defense UCR has is you. While firewalls, phishing alarms, and other technical tools help protect us, their effectiveness is directly tied to the vigilance of those using them. This is why annual completion of the UC Cybersecurity Awareness Training course is required of all employees, including faculty and student employees. Each of us is responsible for remaining compliant and utilizing daily the practices taught in the course to effectively identify, mitigate, and respond to threats so we can keep our university safe. I ask you to prioritize the timely completion of this annual mandatory training, which you can find in the UC Learning Center, or LMS. As you are the most important line of defense, it is vital that your identity is verified before being granted access to secure UCR resources. We are bolstering our identity verification processes to enhancements to multi-factor authentication, or MFA. As a result, you can expect changes to your login experience to better protect your UCR account. In today's world, our devices are viewed as an extension of ourselves. Rarely do we leave home or work without them. As a result of this dependency, it's critical that we secure the devices we use to perform university work. All campus units will be required to use UCR's Secured Device Services as part of UCR's Security Investment Roadmap. I encourage unit leaders to contact ITS if your area is not currently enrolled in this service. In the meantime, faculty and staff who manage their own devices must install and use the UCR Security Toolset to ensure continued access to secure UCR resources and networks. The toolset contains 3 industry-standard security tools that meet the UC cybersecurity requirements to help us better detect, mitigate, and respond to cybersecurity threats. These are 3 key steps we must take now to successfully meet the UC President's call to action. However, it's important to understand that UCR has embarked on a broader journey to enhance its information security, and additional steps may be needed in the future. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, so too must our collective efforts to maintain a safe and secure environment for all. I encourage you to visit the UC Cybersecurity Mandate 2025 webpage to take action and learn more about this important investment in the protection of our campus and UC system. Thank you for doing your part to keep our Highlander community safe.